Warning: electrical shock hazard. Disconnect power before servicing. Failure to follow these instructions can result in death, fire, or electrical shock. Let's start at the top and remove the front decorative cover. Pull out on the cover bottom corners to loosen the cover. Pull the bottom cover out and lift up to clear the cover mounting pins. Unplug the refrigerator or use the on-off power switch located behind the decorative cover to turn the refrigerator off. For further information, refer to your use and care guide.